morning everyone, and welcome to my channel Farming Life in Thailand. Today I'm standing here or sitting here in front of my melon rows, and one of the works which I have to do regularly is pruning the melons. And for that I'm going to show you how I do it, what to look out for, and afterwards I'm going to work on that. This here is the melon plant, and as you see, that is the top, and you have here the leaf sets, and you will find here, down here close to the stem, that is a side shoot. We call it node. So we have to remove them, because on these nodes the fruits will be built, or the flower will be built, which we have to hand pollinate later. So what I'm doing here is actually just cutting it off, 1 and 2, and then you got this melon plant. Well, they're a little bit taller because didn't have time to stake them up yet, but that's all about it. You see here the node which it was, and it will appear here, 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 here. The reason why we have to do this kind of pruning work is actually we have to look after the melon plant that there's enough aeration, because if there's enough aeration, air coming through, lesser fungal diseases. And another one, which is the most important one, a Japanese melons, the fruit is the sweetest and the nicest at the 9th node. The Japanese melon variety is pollinated around this height, the 9th to the 12th node, and we will select one fruit out of that. And that is the reason why we have to get rid of all the nodes which are below it, because we need all the energy of the plant at the node 9th to 12th. Until this plant is going to bear any fruit which we can sell, it will take at least, I'd say, around 2 months right now in the winter season here in Thailand. And I'm going to also explain you in my other videos what is the general procedure to grow premium Japanese melon. And for that, please follow me on YouTube, so getting updated what is our work here and our struggle here in Thailand to do farming. And thank you for watching, and see you later.